cross over to the peninsula side, where it should be sheltered from the wind. And have one more night out here and then return back to Mulege. It's been a good trip so far, learned quite a few things. Got a to-do list for my kayak. It's always good. Make some improvements. Just going to turn the camera around so you can see what we've got up ahead of us here. Some of these waves might have a tendency to crash into the camera. I'm not sure if it's going to stay upright if it does. But I'm basically going to head towards that farthest most point that you can see kind of on the horizon there. Pretty much dead straight ahead. And that's called Bahia Concepcion. And there's a beach between the point and that first kind of mountain peak there. There's a nice white sandy beach. And that's where I'm heading for tonight. And then the opening to the real Mulege is basically directly across the bay from there. About a 4-mile crossing that I'll make tomorrow morning. And it should be a nice, easy crossing. The wind's supposed to die down tonight, according to the forecast I looked at a few days ago. So we'll see. But I think for now, I'm basically going to head directly towards that eastern shore there, because it's sheltered from this northerly wind at least a little bit.